Hello and welcome to Ajayastro Miniguru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we turn our attention to a significant development in the sunflower oil market, as Russia takes decisive steps to adjust its export policies, with far-reaching implications for global trade. Russia has announced a substantial increase in its export duty on sunflower oil for December 2024. This new policy sets the export duty at a striking 9,195.8 rubles, equivalent to $89 per ton. This is a dramatic rise compared to the 2,900 rubles, or $28 per ton, charged in November. Such a sharp hike has not gone unnoticed and signals a strategic shift in Russia's approach to balancing its domestic market stability with international trade demands. Additionally, the export duty on sunflower meal will also see a rise, reaching 3,788.4 rubles, as reported by the Russian Ministry of Agriculture. The decision to increase export duties comes in response to the consistent rise in sunflower oil prices in recent months. Back in October, the indicative price of sunflower oil was recorded at $897 per ton. However, this figure has now climbed to $954.70 per ton for December, reflecting the strong demand and limited supply in the global market. The adjustment in export duties aligns with these updated price levels, showcasing Russia's effort to manage its domestic market while responding to international pricing trends. This change is likely to tighten the global supply of sunflower oil, which could push up international prices in the coming weeks. Importing countries are now faced with the challenge of re-evaluating their procurement strategies, as the cost implications of these new duties become clearer. Meanwhile, traders and market participants may experience increased volatility, as the market reacts to the reduced export volumes and higher costs stemming from Russia's policy shift. For the global sunflower oil market, this development is set to create ripple effects that could reshape trade flows and pricing strategies. Countries that rely heavily on Russian exports may need to explore alternative sources or adjust their budgets to accommodate rising costs. At the same time, producers in other regions might seize this opportunity to fill the supply gap, further intensifying competition in the international market. As this situation unfolds, staying informed and vigilant will be key for stakeholders in the sunflower oil industry. Here at Ajayastro Miniguru, we will continue to provide you with timely updates and in-depth analysis to help you navigate these dynamic changes in the global commodities landscape. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights and updates. Until next time, take care and stay ahead in the world of commodities.